Should I do a maneuver through these rocks?
Probably not, but you can try.
Guy with like the biggest schlong in the world.
Charlie, buddy.
Don't worry, okay?
Dude, are you even bothered turning or no?
I am. It's just taking a long fucking time. Oh yeah, beauty, beauty. Look at that.
Good job, smart one.
Nope. Oh, see, just a little bump, It's alright.
Uh-oh.
What?
I accidentally just threw a bomb.
Well, can we raise the anchor now, please?
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, I just fell off the thing and broke my leg.
Oh. Oh my god. I thought something actually important was happening.
Can one person check the map and tell us if we're going in the right way?
Yeah,
not it,
Charlie.
Not it.
I'm throwing us.
Nope. I said not it first.
Charlie, you've been playing this game longer than me, and I'm gonna fuck up the map. Also, look up. There's a cool thing happening.
Oh yeah, there's the northern lights.
Why? We're in the middle of the ocean.
Shut up, man.
What's that noise?
Oh, I'm cooking some coconut down here.
What are we doing?
We're heading towards a cloud.
Why?
The lightning one.
Where? Whoa,
Why do I hear
boss
boss music?
What? Why did you both have the same?
Why do I hear boss music?
I don't see anything.
I don't think it's a boss. It's just funny music.
No, why would there be boss
No,
music?
this is
For no
boss
reason?
music.
Yeah, this is boss music. What is that? There's a dude walk. Oh wait, never mind. That's just a big rock.
Are you okay?
It's a rock structure shaped like a dude, like a really big giant. No, that is a boss. I just heard some big nautical scream.
Flip.
Oh shit! I see it. It's the Flying Dutchman. Cannons, Charlie, cannons.
I am. Oh my god, the Flying Dutchman.
How do we load a firebomb into the cannon?
You just load it like a normal cannon.
You fucking missed. Where is it?
No,
why are you going on the rocks,
We're
you
using
idiot?
this to do a drift.
That's not how it works.
If we crash, jump onto their ship. Guys, quick, board their ship.
Oh, boarded! On guard! Any bananas?
I need to go find their ammo crate.
Oh, I have grenades!
Oh shit, they are sinking. I found the skull.
Let's go,
Oh,
I
fuck,
got
this
an
is big guy.
achievement.
Oh,
Me too, I don't see you.
Let me out. No, where the hell's the boat? Where's our boat?
fuck.
Where is our boat?
I'm turning back around.
Get ammo pouch. Nice.
Oh,
Charlie, did you grab the skull?
Guys,
I did, yeah.
coming to get you.
Fine. I'm gonna eat that banana. Let's go, Charlie. Dub.
Let's go. That was sick.
We gotta keep Charlie alive. He's got the loot. He's got the booty.
Alright, yeah, drop it.
I did.
Oh no, what is that sound?
What? Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, there's a ship down there!
Where?
It's popping up!
Oh fuck, it's another one.
Oh, shit.
Alright.
Shit, Charlie.
Okay.
There's two of them!
Oh, fuck. Oh, they didn't like us stealing their skull.
Oh no! Oh no! Charlie, get back to the fucking thing.
I'm going.
Oh,
No, just fire cannons at them.
oh no! Our ship is on fire!
What? Oh, I left the coconut on the burner. Oh.
Is that actually what happened?
Yes,
No.
look, the coconut right there.
Mermaid. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Guys, you gotta maybe, like, stop worrying about your coconut.
Why? What happened?
I don't know, look at the top, Charlie!
What?
Oh,
Oh, fuck!
Oh man, I wonder what's happening. Oh my god, our shit is flooding so much. Okay, oh my god, why is there so many holes?
It's because they're shooting at us, that's why. Oh my god, is this like 17th century war simulator?
No, it's Assassin's Creed Black Flag.
Oh fuck.
They're behind the stairs.
And firebomb their ship.
Oh my god, that's actually, it seems like it's effective.
Oh, damn it, I missed that time. Fuck.
Oh, fuck.
That was a big one.
Guys, I need some help down
Oh
here.
yeah, and because they're small.
Oh no! Guys!
Sunk!
Oh,
Oh,
we
shit,
just take the skull back.
They're dipping.
No.
Someone get the skull.
We can't. Talk to the mermaid.
Oh god, I'm going down with the ship, bro.
Oh!
I'm not.
I'm trapped inside.
I'm above ground.
Wait, I'm glitching.
Oh my god, you are!
I'm glitching the side of the ship.
Bye.
Let me out.
Move to the nearest piece of land.
I can't. No, I'm glitched inside the thing.
No, people who aren't.
Oh.
Yeah, you're just a lost cause. I'll see you later.
Oh, did I make it out?
The
I made it
mermaid!
out.
We gotta make it to the mermaid.
I made it out. Oh my god,
make it to
all
the
of our,
mermaid.
all
We
of
gotta
our
make it to
loot.
Motherfucking Florida weather out of here. Alright, come on.
Guys, let's take shelter. What the fuck happened? I'm dead.
Are you
back.
dead? No, I got shot by lightning and died.
Oh, really?
Help
Yeah.
me.
Oh, there we go.
Ow, I just got
Fuck, I got shot by lightning. Wait, hold on. Land hoe. I see your mother. A land hoe. Over there.
That was really funny, Charlie.
Yeah.
Normandy.
You want to bury this banana?
Ow, you dickbag. What the hell was that? Can I shoot the seagulls out of the air?
Yeah, I've tried that too.
Does it work?
I don't know. Because I've used the
it just
blunderbuss.
passes.
Whatever, we'll just go in there and then crash. Oh no!
Are you blind?
I did not see this.
Man, I didn't see the huge island in the way.
Oh, there's a guy over there. There's the guy that I saw. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Where is he? Kill him.
He's right, he jumped in the water. He jumped in the water. Can you shoot in the water or no?
Yeah.
Like inside of, like while you're underwater? Oh, you can. I just shot him in the ass. I killed him.
There's a chest right here. Gold? Oh, wow. And 2 mermaid gems. This is money, you fool. Oh my god.
Gold.
I don't think you care as much as this pirate life as I do.
No,
You're
I
not
don't, because
contradicting
there's
me.
2 ships fighting over there that I want to go see, but you know.
Fine. Well, let's go unbeach the boat somehow.
How?
I don't know.
Alright, genius. Let's see you unbeach the fucking boat. Fucking annoying. Nice, man.
Watch. It's gonna. The blast is gonna.
That's not how a boat works.
Well, let's see your brilliant plans.
I don't have a plan. I told you that we're fucked. And that you
So what do we
fucked
do?
us. We fucking died.
Oh, I know. I have a great idea.
I see your
I'm
plan.
going into battle.
I understand the idea. No, it doesn't go anywhere, Charlie. You can stop going left now.
Oh, okay.
You can stop. You can stop going left now. You can stop going left.
I am going right.
You're not going right enough, man. Shit, Charlie, they're firing shots.
Oh, you mess with the wrong sea dogs.
What the hell are you saying?
I don't know. It's pirate lingo for you mess with the wrong.
You mess with the wrong knee. Oh my god.
Oh, they're using this stupid.
Dude, they
oh
are
my
pelting us right now.
Where are all the?
I'm dead down here. Come res me, Charlie. I'm in the basement, quick.
Fuck. Oh, they're down here.
What do you mean they're down here? Okay, I'm just gonna kill
Oh,
myself.
I'm dead.
just gonna kill myself.
Yeah, quick. I didn't know we were playing prison rules right now.
Yeah, we're
Until they got onto our boat and killed us.
We're playing street rule. Oh, we lost our boat.
Did we?
Yep.
Oh.
Once we get close enough, do you want to launch ourselves out?
Yeah. Alright, I'm getting in.
Actually, wait, maybe we don't have
Alright,
to.
no, steer right.
No, we don't have to. We don't have to. We can just park it.
No. Dude! What are you doing?
I made a miscalculation. Okay, we actually made it.
Alright, we're going in.
Alright.
Woohoo! Oh, I way
Yeah, you
misjudged
shouldn't have done
one.
that. Well, because there's a fucking thing straight to the island up here, which is why I told you not to, but
Oh.
there's like literally a ladder that goes straight up.
Oh.
Shoot me, pussy. Oh shit, sword does not deflect bullets. Charlie,
I need to heal.
Eat some food, man.
Oh,
shit, get away,
shoot that
get
guy,
away.
shoot that guy.
Ah, shit, he got me
You
on
blew
fire
me
again.
up.
Yeah, he blew me up too. How far is that radius? Oh, are you dead?
Yes, sir. Okay, we're good. Banana?
It said we got level 7 rewards. I don't know how we claim that, but...
Cool.
Uh-oh.
What?
Run away. Run away.
Oh, shit, they're golden.
Oh my god, there's so many of them. Oh shit, there's a bomb one. Get away from that guy. Oh my god, he's like suicide bombing me, man. Oh dude, I just killed so many people.
Oh my god! Keymaster is here.
What the hell is that? I'm almost back.
I'm a big fan. I'm a big
What the hell is Keymaster?
Dude, I need your help over here.
I'm getting back. I just spawned back.
Oh fuck, I'm about to die. I'm running away.
I'm making a risky play here.
Oh! Did you seriously use the cannon?
I thought it would be a good idea.
No.
Dude, just use your blunderbuss. What the hell are you doing?
Cause I had to reload, so.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we get 5 coins.
Charlie, there's
for that,
there's a bunch of food in this chest. Wait, what? 5 what coins? The balloons? Oh! I killed the boss. I could use some assistance whenever you feel.
Yeah.
Coming
No,
back.
I just spawned in.
Never mind. I did not kill the boss. I thought I killed him, but he just teleported away. Uh oh. Oh. Not good. Coconut time. I don't think we killed the boss because I hear him. I still hear music. Oh, he's down here. Yeah. Oh my god, he just sent me fucking flying off the island. What the hell was that? I get these little monkeys. What is this guy doing, bro? Oh, he just dipped.
It's not fair.
Yep, run away.
Oh! Did you go flying?
Last time I did. I killed him!
Yes!
Wait, what is this? Ashen key. Oh, I got the key.
Oh, okay. Open it. Open her up.
I unlocked it. Oh my god!
What?
There is...
Huh?
Bro.
Coming.
What the fuck is this? I just found... Dude, there's so much stuff. Dude, I don't think you understand. Get over here. We gotta get all of this, and like we gotta haul ass, bro. Look behind you. I got this weapon. Look behind you.
What?
Here, watch this.
What?
And I can shoot bubbles.
What? Oh, I want one.
I'll bring them like down here, and then you load them in the boat, okay?
All right. That's a good idea.
We gotta do less work. Oh my god, dude, there's actually so much shit here. Gold and dude, there is so much stuff here. I'm like, I'm about 3/4 done.
Oh my god.
We've been here for like I think we've been unloading this for like 10 minutes. Dude, you should put this and then time lapse it and go over that music like nah.
Yeah, I actually should. That'd be really funny.
One epic looting later.
One dick in my mouth later.
Whoa, man. Oh my god, there's so much. Oh my god, having to unload all of this is gonna take forever, bro. Alright, you got the last thing, Charlie? No! Are you autistic? Are you autistic? Are you
that?
Oh my god, you're an idiot. It's sinking the boat. Oh my god.
Oh fuck!
Oh my god. Whoa! I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm actually gonna kill you.
No! We can save it! Save it! Save it! Save it!
I'm dead!
Alright, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh my
put
god.
out the fire. Put out the fire. Put out the fire.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! No! 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 No!
I'm actually gonna kill you.
No! No!
I'm actually gonna kill you.
Okay! Put out the fire. Okay, dude, I'll bail it out. Do the holes! Do the holes! What are you doing? Do the holes! Do the holes!
I'm gonna kill you.
Do the holes!
I'm doing the holes! Oh my god, I'm actually gonna kill you.
I didn't think that did anything.
I'm actually gonna kill you. I'm actually gonna kill you.